Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the trim command. So here we have our shape from before, but I've added a line through the middle, and I want to trim that line so it fits inside our shape. So what we're going to do, again, you can either use the trim command up here, or we can type in trim, and then as we hover our cursor over the sections, you can see it allows us to trim at intersections or whole lines. So I'm going to delete this. You see the little red X? I'm going to click that and I press enter, and that line has now been trimmed. That's all for today. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.